and instant noodles outside. And essentially what we're trying to convey here is that, if it's so easy to make noodles ever since, Maggi noodles has been invented and we all learn to make noodles in 2 minutes. It should, if something is that easy, you'll end up making noodles. Otherwise, it takes an extraordinary amount of effort to make noodles at home. Or similarly for instant coffee in the office. I come from the southern part of India, and my mother would she still wakes up at 5:36 in the morning, put the coffee powder, you have the thing in which you make the decoction, and then it takes an hour or half an hour at least before coffee is made. And here in office, most of our office, we just punch a button, we get coffee, we add sugar, a little bit of customization for individual taste. You want tea, you press tea, you get hot water, you take a tea bag, you add sugar if you want, and the chai is ready. And that's really what we are aiming to do with the Smart Business Platform. Make something so simple and easy to use with a little bit of customization that goes with every individual customer, and you have something that can get you started very easily and simple.